Hello, my name is Jhantel. I'm with Forest River Cargo in Texas. We're showcasing a new trailer this year. It's an innovation 8.5 34-foot triple axle trailer. Let me show you around. Starting from the rear, we have 60-inch adjustable tandem ramps, extruded seamless aluminum flooring, 13-inch angle mount recessed lights, a push button for easy access. Let me show you some other things inside. Starting at the rear on the interior, we do have a rear hydraulic jack switch, recessed floor mount lights and D-rings, upgrade to aluminum ceiling with 2-foot 5-strip LED lights. We do have C-Tech removable countertop attachments. Let's go to the front. So in this trailer, you're going to have a triple axle wheel well cabinet with laptop accessibilities, USB ports and receps. Do have a recessed winch compartment. We do have 2 fuel jug racks provided by C-Tech, wet sound stereo system with 8-inch lighted ring speakers and also subs. Let's talk about the cabinets. These are made by C-Tech. They are custom build to order in silver vein and color. It is a L-shaped overhead and base. Let's go outside and talk about the exterior. Looking at the exterior of this trailer, we do have an 8K hydraulic Bigfoot jack, shocker airbag hitch, 3-tier tongue box compartment. Looking inside the tongue box, you do have a 7K portable Honda generator, spare tire, 4 batteries, air compressor. Let's go around to the side. For the curbside of this trailer, we do have heavy-duty, durable tempered glass window doors, a glass door feature, aluminum pull-out step with 2 dual-colored LED lights, C-Tech removable countertops. These countertops can be interchangeable between the interior and the exterior. We do have 2-foot LED strip lights for the exterior, air hose and cord reel hookup, 17.5 Alcoa wheels with air ride suspension, docking lights, and also 2 16-foot Girard projection awnings. Thank you for allowing me to showcase this trailer with you. If you'd like to order one of these trailers, call us at R&M Race Trailer in Cushing, Oklahoma, or Forest River Cargo in Texas.